Hey, so finally we're on our way. We're on our way to Beaverlac. We're going to... Fuck, I fucked it up.
I checked.
Yeah. Let's get the road starting. I don't know why I did that. Oh my word, we're so bad at this. There we go.
Let's get the road stopped.
Yeah, I'm hoping not. Check what this place looks like, man. Like, I don't know if you can see, but this road is super dark, it's super narrow. We just went up the most windiest road in South Africa, like literally. And the road is so windy, so narrow, that you could literally fall from it. But check this out.
They can't see anything.
Yeah, they can see like a black road. Like
they can see darkness. Okay. Oh, okay. They basically can't see anything.
Really?
What
happens when I do this? What happens when I do this? Oh shit, I'm gonna eat you now.
Careful!
What happens when I do this?
Don't kill us.
Can they see now?
No, they can't
what
see
happens when I do
anything.
this? Can they see now?
Can you stop doing stuff and just get us there safely?
I put the camera off thing. Okay, so we are a tad bit lost. We're trying to find the magic, or is it called magic? Or is it called surprise? I'm not sure what it's called. Okay, so we got one of the ladies that works here on the farm, and she was very nice to give us some directions. And Lana was 100% right. You see, I should have just taken the advice from the woman. We're ending up down this trail, somewhere left or right. I'm not even sure what she said. I know she said down here, and then turn left. And yeah. Oh my word! Thank God I'm back. I'm very flamboyant. One thing you need to learn when coming on a hike is be fit. Don't be 1.6 tall and then weigh 87 kgs.
Cheers, babe. Wow, that's really good.
I told you it's like a sweet white wine.